guys, welcome to my channel. This is called Read, and today in this video we're going to be talking about what are attributes and what are comments. How can you use comments? And it's going to be a short tutorial because everything I have explained you in the previous video is going to be the similar one. I'm just showing you what are attributes and how can you use them. So let's dive right into it. I have the same file as before. As you can see, we have these headings here commented out, and we have this paragraph here, we have this a tag here, anchor tag, and we have this image here. Okay, so let me tell you what are attributes. Attributes have those properties that you use and that you define and that are used by the tags. Okay, let's see. We have here href attribute that is used by this anchor tag, and we can write this entire URL here that will, whenever you will click on this a tag, which will have the title here, Google will go to this href link. So this is normally a attribute, and it's the attribute of the a tag. You also have other attributes in this. So let's say if we have an image here, let's comment this out. We have an image here. Image first attribute is a src, that is a source, where you put the name of the file and name of the image. And another attribute is a width, the width of the image. Another attribute is the height of the image. I want you to search some, okay, it's not like that I know everything here. I am also bound to some certain attributes because I just don't go around and learn everything that exists in this world. I want you to guys search a bit and find out what suits best for you, what you want to use and what you like. And here another attribute that I want to tell you is alt, and let's write something. Okay, sql image, and if we do this, let's see what we get here if we refresh it. Okay, so we used that and we didn't get everything. Why? Okay, let me tell you one thing. We have image here and we use that alt, but something has to happen, but it didn't happen, right? Let's do something that we did not expect. Let's use the image that do not exist right now on this path. So what we're going to get here is, if we refresh this page, okay, sql image. This is what the alt attribute does. If you can see the image, it's going to show you the text that you written in the alt. So but what if happens if we do not have this alt and the image does not exist? So what it's going to do, it's going to show you this broken image. Okay, shows you the image does not exist, or it's broken, or there is some sort of another problem there with the image. So it's some another attribute. Okay, the most important attribute I'm going to tell you is style. I'm not going to explain you style right now because I have another video on this. It's going to be a long topic because, as you can see, we have some options popped up here, and you can see that okay, the list is so long, so I can't just cover this in a single video, with mixed up with the other topics. So I'm going to be showing the style attribute in another video. So let's get rid of it and save it. So this is it for the attributes. So let's talk about the comment. Okay, if there is a line of code, there is a piece of code that you don't want to use while working in the web page. Okay, let's say that this is the line of code that I do not want to show in the web page, but I don't know, maybe in the future that I use this code, this is important code, and whatever forget next time. So you just comment it out by using control, and you can see the button where you have a question mark or this slash, where you have this button, left to the shift, left to the right shift, you use control and plus that button, and it will comment you out. It's a single line command. Okay, so if you want to make a multi-line command, just cut this arrow here and put it anywhere that you want to. Okay, I want my comment up to this point, so you can just put that arrow there. It will comment everything out in the between. So that concludes with this part with the attributes and comments. Thank you so much for today, and I'm gonna be seeing you in the next video. Bye bye.